Hi, this is Teresa. I'm back at American Balloon Factory in Omaha, Nebraska. I'm going to show you a simple monkey sword. So you inflate your 260 all but about 3 inches. You're going to start off making 2 small flower petals. Then you're going to make a pinch twist. Oh no, I'm sorry, another flower petal. Squeeze out your balloon. You're going to take your tail of your balloon and stick it through here, leaving just enough space for the kid's hand to go through. Then you're going to take a 5-inch flush, blow it up about this much and tie it close to the nozzle. Grab it, pinch off about 1/3 of it. So you have 2/3 here and 1/3 up here. Put it between your fingers, and then you're going to attach this into the 2 ears. Wrap it around. Take your nozzle and wrap it to the back of the ears to hide the nozzle. And there is your monkey. We'll draw the face on it real quick. Got 2 big eyes, couple nostrils, and here's your simple monkey face. You can get more creative, draw a red tongue on there. There is your monkey sword.